new car that I've got that I'm going to be building into a drift car. It has a little bit of a tick in there. You can really hear the tick like through the exhaust. Yeah, you can really hear it underneath the car. I'm going to try and remedy that. I have some engine flush that I'm going to run through the car, hoping that that is going to be able to flush the engine out, flush out anything that's maybe keeping a lifter a little bit sticky. So it says to run for a further 10 minutes and then I'll drain it out. Still ticking. I did take it for a drive around the block. It seems to have quietened down a lot.